Hello, beautiful people. This is your manifestation coach, Monica Dubey. And I would love to invite you all to my channel, Divine Devas Transforming Lives. And my mission in life is to transform 10,000 lives with the help of my meditation and manifestation courses. So please do like, share, and subscribe this channel before we move forward. So today the topic that I have selected for you is raising your vibrations. Now that you know about law of attraction, let me tell you how to attract anything in your life with much more ease. Unless you are in the right vibration, you cannot attract anything in your life. But you need to raise your vibrations to do that. But how will you do that? So there are 8 points that I'm going to give you which are very easy and simple, and these simple tips will help you to let you raise your vibrations. Okay, so the first thing is become conscious of your thoughts. It's very important for you to be conscious about your thoughts. What is going on in your mind is going to become your reality ultimately. So always try to be conscious about your thoughts. You can put an alarm or you can write a journal time to time and see what is going on in your mind. Okay, then the second tip is find something beautiful to appreciate about. Okay, so every day find something new or beautiful to appreciate for. The more you appreciate, the more things appreciate in your life. Be conscious about your food you eat. It's very important for you to be very conscious of what you are intaking. Your intake of your food plays a very vital role. So be very conscious about your food habits. Try to inculcate more of water and veggies in your daily habits. Try to eat as healthy as possible. You can consult your dietitian for these food habits. Drink a lot of water, as I said. Then meditate. Try to meditate every day. Take out 5 to 10 minutes every morning so that you can meditate regularly. Sixth tip is to be grateful. Whatever you have got in your life, try to be grateful for that. You can start to write gratitude journal every day. Like what I do is I wake up as soon as I wake up in the morning, I start writing all my thoughts in a gratitude journal. You can make a gratitude journal like this. You can make a gratitude journal like this and write all your thoughts in the morning as soon as you wake up. So you can write, Dear Universe, thank you for the food that I eat. You can also write simple things like running water. Thank you, Universe, that I have running water. Thank you, Universe, that I have such a loving family. So these kind of things can be written in the gratitude journal, because the more you appreciate, the more it will appreciate in your life. Seventh tip is practice act of kindness. On random basis, you can act kindly with a lot of people. For suppose you can act kindly with your house staff. You can act kindly with your gardener. You can act kindly with any assistant in your office, or you can act kindly with the security guard. So try to be kind with these people, and you will see how much more the universe is giving you in your life. And eighth tip is get your blood pumping. Don't forget to exercise every day. As soon as you get up in the morning, it is very important to warm up yourself. So you can either do a little walking, or if you are good in something like gymming, and most of the men, of course, they love to do gymming, and youngsters, they can do gymming. Okay, and the ladies also nowadays, you can do a lot of exercises like Zumba and dancing, and there are many other forms that you can do. So try to inculcate all these things in your regular habit and then see the magic. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And as my mission in life is to transform 10,000 lives in coming 2 years, so please do share these videos to all your friends. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.